Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's class will be movement training part 2. In this class of movement training, we will see some workouts which makes us smooth while playing on court. We will also see how a movement training useful for playing badminton. In this lockdown period, health is an important factor to fight this corona disease. Even in summer, the spread of this disease was very massive. So think of its impact in a rainy season. The whole world is suffering from many disasters which makes a clear path to the spread of this disease. We can't prevent the natural calamities, but we can prevent the spread of this disease by doing physical activities daily. So let's get back to the training. The first workout will be normal run. So in this movement training, mark 2 points and the distance between the points should be minimum of 10 meters. So it's very simple. You should run between the 2 points at a medium pace. You should do this exercise for a little longer because it makes your body warm so that you can do other exercises with ease. Take long steps while running and do the hand swing properly. The second workout will be front and back. This is a very easy workout for doing and also for explaining. In this workout, you should run front and come back by back run. Also, you should touch the point when you come back. After finishing this exercise, you will feel the burn on your side hips. Doing these kinds of movement training also reduces weight in your body. There is not much explanation needed while doing basic movement training. When you come to the variations part, then you need some explanations. The next workout will be side movement. This workout is more or less like in the previous class, but while going to the points, stretch and touch the points like you do while taking the defense shots. In the backhand side, you should touch the ground using your right hand and right leg. When doing the side movement, both your legs should move without touching each other like shown in the video. The next workout will be sides and jump. In this workout, you should do 2 side movement and do 1 high jump till you reach the end and return back in the same way. While doing side movement, keep your hands near your elbow like holding your racket so that it becomes a habit, and when you're doing the movement while playing, you won't forget. Holding your racket near your elbow height is a great habit for badminton players. And the last workout will be defend and move. This workout will be a difficult one. You have seen videos of defense workout in this channel. If you haven't seen, the link is given in the description below. Check on it for clear explanation for doing defense workout. So coming to this workout, take 1 step on each side and touch the ground. These types of workout will be useful for playing doubles, to be spontaneous while attacking and moving front, and also to handle whatever situation comes. So make use of it, guys. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video useful, like the video and tell me how it was in the comment section below. Share it to all your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get more videos and lots of stuff. See you all in the next class with informative and interesting workouts. Thank you.